Okay, for the 568th time today, oh, that's way too much. So, we got some stuff yesterday. I'll show you what it is. First of all, we got the other tires and wheels. See, they're like the silver RST wheels. And we got these 2-inch spacers that we're gonna put on the back of the truck. And then check this out. Spikes. We're gonna give these a shot. I'm not sure if I like these or not, but we're gonna try them out. All right, so I got the first tire off, and now it's time to start cleaning the wheel, clean the tire. I'm gonna wax the wheel, get it some ceramic spray on there, and then we're gonna put it back on with the spacers and the spikes. I'm also gonna take this time to clean up the brake calipers and maybe spray down my leaf springs. Look at that clumped up mud. We're going to clean just a small section of this tire with the bleach white, and I don't know if it'll get that off or not, but we'll see. Looks like it does not get the marker off. That's okay. You can see it's foaming up really good. You can really tell when it dries. Matter of fact, I'll let this one dry and I'll show you in just a second. Okay, you can see a little better now the difference. Cleaned, not cleaned. The whole tire's got this nice brown nastiness, and then you get over here, nice and black. So what we're using for this is a product called Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. It's a pretty good wax. I use it a lot. Waxes are kind of like opinions. Everybody's got one. Everybody thinks theirs is better than the others. And I just use what works. I don't spend my life looking for the best wax I've ever seen. If something works, I keep using it until I have a reason not to. So we're gonna coat the inside and then buff it off and then switch to the outside. So now we're gonna switch over to our ceramic, and this is just a ceramic spray. I use Mother Ceramic CMX. Again, I like it. I don't really care what you use. You can use it if you want. If not, feel free to use others or go ahead and get them ceramic coated, but this is cheap and it's been working. Backs of the wheels are looking good. Nice and shiny. And really slick. And the ceramic spray actually repels water for a little bit. The only downfall to it is it doesn't last as long as obviously ceramic coating it. But the more you apply it, the more coats you put on, the more often you do it, the better your results will be. So we're going to take these lug nuts off here and put them in the pockets because they're shallow and they won't stick out. And then we'll take our spikes and put them on the studs. Got some paint coming off there, it looks like. I'm probably not going to do anything about that because I'm eventually going to go away from red calipers. So she's just going to be what she is. All right, we've got this side all wrapped up. I think it looks pretty good. And now we're on to tackle the other side. So you can see the difference here. This one without the spacer. You come over here and we got the spacer. I think it looks a little better. It may be poking out a little more than the front, but I think I like it better than less than the front. All right, there we go. Got both sides done. Spiked lugs and spacers on. Haven't done the front yet. Not going to do that tonight. This is all I'm going to do for this video, and tomorrow we'll keep going. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.